Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to move files in Google Drive from one folder to another. You can also move your files on folder in share drive also. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my Google Drive. Okay. So guys, first open the Google Drive, come to the My Drive, and here you can see all your folders and file. And if you want to move your files within the in My Drive folder only, so you can expand the tree in My Drive, so you will see the all folder here. Now you can select the files and just hold it and just move to the folder where you want to move. So I just move to the audio folder, so it will be moved to the audio folder automatically. Okay, so yeah, it is moving. Yeah, it is moved. If I go to the audio folder, let me check the audio folder if it is moved or not. So you can see it is already moved. Same way you can also move the folder and files also, or you can also move within like manually. Okay, so if you want to move any files like in folder, just select the files. Okay, so this file I want to move, I have to click on it, just click right on it, and now go to the move to, and just come back, and from here you can also move this on share with me folder. So you can see you can also move the file with share with me folder. Select the folder where you want to move and just click on move. It will be moved to the selected folder, or you can also move to the your computer folder and also move to My Drive folder. So click on this arrow and you will see the all folders within My Drive, and select the folder and click on move to, so it will be moved to the selected folder. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.